1975 750F. Discs in the front. Original paint. Master cylinder rebuilt. Calipers rebuilt, all powder coated. Rear master cylinder new. Caliper rebuilt and powder coated. Delkevic exhaust. Engine completely torn apart. Replaced anything that was questionable. Vapor honed the whole thing. New rings, valves lapped in, all new seals throughout. Tires, powder coated swing arm, chain guard, foot tags, triple tree powder coated, lower fork lengths powder coated, new seals, new fluid in the forks. Very crisp, runs good. Still plenty of things that the next owner can do. This is my last bike build. Many hours put into this. Especially the motor. The frame's been repainted. Smaller parts were powder coated. Electronic ignition, brand new battery, oil pump rebuilt, all new seals in it. This is the owner before me upgraded the rims and the forks with the dual disc brake system in the front. New steering stem bearings, the tapered bearings. It's not a perfect bike, it's not a restoration. These side covers could use to be changed. The paint is not perfect, but it's original. So I didn't want to spoil that original. But you can if you want, after you buy it. See, it's got a rip in it right there, otherwise looks good. Yeah, side covers are busted like usual. The neutral safety switch in the bottom of the motor, it's underneath there. It's got a drip occasionally. It leaves a couple drips on the ground. It's probably just the O-ring. Maybe I pinched the O-ring when I installed it. I don't know. Again, this is a 1975, but it has the later fork tubes with the dual discs. And also I think it's a longer swing arm off the later models with the Comstar style wheels. I've only ridden it around the block just to make sure it goes through the gears.